Boeing. Boeing's main rival, Airbus, announcing a massive order from China, and the European plane maker will sell 300 passenger jets to Chinese airlines, mostly from the A320 family and 10 from the A350 line. The agreement was signed while Chinese President Xi Jinping was in France, and this, of course, as Boeing struggles with the aftermath of the 737 MAX crisis, leading to scrutiny from regulators, grounded flights, as well as disgruntled customers. The deal is worth an estimated 30 billion euros, which comes out to about 34 billion US dollars. Shares of Airbus, we're looking at shares on the Parisian Euronext, are up, but we also notice that Boeing shares are up as well on this news. Oh. We would kind of anticipate that you would see it in the red today. Rick Newman is here to break it all down for us. So Rick, no such thing as coincidence, despite the fact that executives are saying, hey, this was a deal already in the works, but the fact that Macron and Xi are shaking hands as the Boeing issue is happening, as US and China are in this trade spat. What do you make of this?
Well, you mentioned the A320. That is the Airbus plane that competes with the Boeing 737 MAX. It's really the only formidable
competitor, right?
I mean, I don't, pretty much, yeah. I mean, these are the only two big makers of commercial aircraft in the world, Boeing and Airbus. So I don't know if China decided at the last minute, oh, now that there's a problem with the 737 MAX, we're going to give this deal to Airbus. I mean, these are huge long-term decisions. I mean, airlines hold aircraft for 25 years or more in their fleets. But look, it's a win for Airbus, and clearly Airbus has an advantage over Boeing right now. I mean, this is sort of a perennial head-to-head competition between Boeing and Airbus. I think if there's any good news here for Boeing, it's that there is a lot of business to go around and plenty for both of these companies.
Yeah, I guess I just wonder, with a lot of these Boeing contracts, do you think they'll kind of be sunsetted? Are they going to be renewed? I don't know if you have been keeping track of a lot of the individual airlines and their ongoing negotiations with Boeing.
Well, there's only one airline that has said so far that it would like to cancel its contract with Boeing. That's Garuda Airlines in Indonesia. That is not the airline that lost the jet last year. That was Lion Air. But, I mean, airlines sign contracts with the manufacturers, and you can't just send it back, as if it's a product from Amazon.
Right. Return, please.
Yeah, it doesn't work that way. I mean, airlines love the 737 MAX because of a combination of fuel efficiency, passenger capacity, and range. I mean, it's really a terrific and economical aircraft. So it's a great aircraft to have financially. Obvious, but it's grounded at the moment. Very clearly, Boeing needs to solve the problem. And if Boeing, assuming Boeing does solve the problem, I think all the airlines will end up being happy with the 737 MAX. But look, they have to fix the safety problem. It's a glaring safety problem. We don't know all the facts yet, but at the moment, this looks like a catastrophic engineering failure at Boeing, where they allowed basically if one thing goes wrong on this plane, it crashes itself.
Domino effect.
I mean, it's just astonishing, honestly.
Yeah, I mean, the story that keeps on giving. Thank you so much, Rick Newman.